All right. So what you want to do, you want to take the rail, line it up where it's going to go, tape it to hold the rail in place. Take the drill, drill it out, take the rail off, take the tape off of the rails. You want to drill it through again to try and clean up the holes so the nuts push in properly. Press in all the nuts from the top of the grip tape. If you use the right size drill bit, this shouldn't be a problem. Take the rail back, take the screws, pop them in. Don't screw them all the way in because you want to start them and make sure they go in properly before you tighten them all down. Once they're all started, flip the board over and press your finger on the nuts so you can tighten down the rails and have them nice and secure. Start with one end, work your way down. You'll feel the nuts suck into the board. Once it tightens all the way down, you're done. There's one rail. And then repeat it on the other side. Done.